So, gentlemen, good evening from the electric uncle, hat wale ki side se. And now this is in English. Had so many clients, audience, they ask me to make it in English also. So this is Arduino Uno programming and coding based video, not programming coding you can say. Today I want to tell you that how you can save your Arduino Unos for different projects. You have to fix one Arduino Uno, right? And it cost very high, 450, 500 rupees Indian currency. So there is a way, but maybe you didn't try for that. Try it. Rather, I say the younger sister of Arduino Uno, how to make it and how to use it very cheap. Just within 200 rupees, you can make it. Say 150, 160 rupees IC, microcontroller, and rest of the material, just say 50 rupees. For example, I will show you. Like this I made. I used it on my lighting effect. I will show you how I used it. Keep your Arduino Uno aside, no need, because after the programming and coding, Arduino Uno doesn't need computer. It need only 5-volt supply, and you fix it anywhere, it will work. So main thing is this IC. It has been programmed with that Arduino Uno board, which cost us 450, 500 rupees. Now, what I did, just take out the IC very carefully and fix it here, and it is working like anything. And here also I have given this voltage regulator. If you have 9-volt supply, give 9 volt. If you have 12-volt supply, give 12-volt supply. It will convert to 5-volt. And this is one crystal, and there are 2 capacitors only I used. But I make it a little bit in a perfect way. See, the pins I have given it so. This is the ordinary, but with the pins and the reset button, right? But here the pin numbers are different. This IC ATmega 328, 28 pins, all goes to Arduino pins. Suppose for the example, pin number 13, you have to connect an LED for the blink program to 13 and the ground. But here that pin number 13 is 21 or 20, something like that, or 19, I think so. So that pin goes to pin number 13 of Arduino Uno, of this IC. Pin number 13 of this IC, from here it goes to pin number 13 of Arduino Uno. So there you connect on 13, here you will connect on 19. This is the difference only. Suppose the signal wire we connect on 6, here it is 13 number or 12 number. So when you use this bare bone at Mega 28, here you need to connect on pin number 12. That is equivalent to pin number 6 of Arduino Uno. So you can save. For each project you have to invest 450 rupees, 500 rupees. Just make it, and you can get it ready-made also. See, like this. But I am not satisfied with it because there are no provision for the pins. You have to find out, you have to solder every pin like this and that. So I am designing this PCB. I will show you in the PPT what type of design I am making, and then I will get it manufactured. With the help of Gerber file, I will send it on computer and they will send by post, and I will get these small PCs, just 1 inch by 2 inch. Any project you can fix it somewhere, very small, and work like Arduino Uno. So this PCB I made on this 0 PCB. Just you put one IC here, one crystal, 2 capacitors. That will also work. I don't say not work. But a little bit better is better, like this. Here this ordinary, just one crystal, 2 capacitors, and reset button and LED and pins, so that you can get the lighting effect also. The input is ready there. So let us move towards the PPT. I will show you on the slides one by one. It will make you more clear this concept, and after I will show you all this, how to fix, how to make, little bit idea. Rest as based on the drawing, you can make it. Drawing should be there. Material is with you. I will provide the list of material also accordingly. All the PPT that file you will find in my description. Okay. Sometimes I forget. Oh my God! Yesterday I published a video and I forget to attach that file in that video. After that I will do. No problem. So gentlemen, we should move towards the PPT. Always flying on my head, as the location is very near to airport. Anyhow, so this is the Arduino PPT slide presentation I am giving you, and here this is an IC which is fitted in this Arduino Uno, and you see the pin numbers 1 to 28, and in Arduino there are different pin numbers, and in the code the pin numbers are used of Arduino Uno. But when we will make bare bone at Mega 328 separate PCB, you can say younger sister of Arduino Uno, just it will cost Indian rupees 200 only. So for each project we can fix that in that project, not to fix the Arduino Uno everywhere, so it cost high. So to reduce the cost of your projects, you need to make this bare bone. Now this is the at Mega 328 IC, and you see the pin numbers 1 to 28, and here are the Arduino Uno pin numbers, the equivalent, right? Like this, 1 number pin goes to reset of the Arduino Uno. Written it is Arduino pins, and these are the IC pins. So in the Arduino Uno, these pins goes to this pin, like this pin number 13. So IC's pin number 19, it goes to 13. If we are connecting LED on 13, means on the IC it is connected at pin number 19. So this care we have to take. So this is the circuit. You can find this PCB in the market. You can fix it, but you know, with the pins, a few are available. You have to search it. Of course, I have designed, and I am going to place an order for the manufacturing. If anybody will need, I will send it free. Our platform is free education platform, and you can practice with that. It doesn't cost too much. I can afford it. And now see the ready PCB like this. This is the perfect one. Here the voltage regulator also, pins also, reset button also, two LEDs. This is the perfect bare bone Atmega 328 PCB. The younger sister of Arduino Uno. You can say that, right? And this is the jack. You can give 12 volt, 9 volt, 5 volt, and this regulator will control it. It will give 5 volt only, because IC need 5 volts. Same in Arduino Uno. From the USB port we give 5 volt from computer. From the jack you can give any voltage up to 12 volt. It will be converted to 5 volt. So now this is the circuit. I will show you, which I have made it so in the PCB designing, and I am going to place the order for it. So this is perfect in all the ways. And after the final, that was the circuit. This is the PCB. It will look like this. Only 1 inch by 2 inch. Very small. Fix in any project anywhere. Don't need more space like Arduino Uno also. In a very less space. And here comes the list of the components. Just you buy it, fix it in that PCB, make soldering work. Within half an hour you will make it ready for the use. And I will show you. I made at home on 0 PCB as per the circuit. And I use that in my lighting effect for this Diwali festival lighting, pixel lighting. The 50 LEDs I put and just programmed it from the Arduino Uno, from our Arduino IDE software. There are so many examples. In example, go to fast LED. You will find so many effects. You can program any effect. And then I change the IC and put it in this type of bare bone Arduino IDE. So this PCB you can find it. Just put the block so that IC you can remove anytime. One crystal. This is the simplest one. 2 capacitors. No pins, nothing like a reset button, not much LEDs, right? So, but even then it works. It also works. So you can make like this. For better, we'll move to the other, this bare bone Arduino 328. It is called bare bone 328. Means copy of the Arduino Uno, small copy you can say. So gentlemen, and this PCB I'm going to get it manufactured little better with the pins, so that nothing to do much. Now here you have to solder it below with the IC's pin number. You can say of this block's pin number. You have to take the wire out from there for the signal wire. Like in Arduino it is 6, but here it is 12. So at 12 you have to solder the wire for the signal. So this is the 0 PCB. Homemade. I made it on it. It's very cheap. Just put the components and make soldering work below. This is also one way. For hobbyist, as a hobby, this is a good project to do. And for school also, you can submit this. But the soldering work you have to do very fine. Just one crystal, 2 capacitors and 1 block. Just put the IC, make your connections, signal, ground, and give the supply. And this is little bit better. So I may put the glue also, so that fix the soldering work. Should not damage. And here I have provided the pins. And the similar I am going to get it manufactured. The third one, This is the crystal I am holding. And the other one also, third one, that is the 100% perfect ATmega 328 PCB for use. So just replace the IC from Arduino Uno to this barebone ATmega 328 PCB. Very easy, very easy. You might have come across this or not, but I will suggest, for the saving economical point of view, use this in every project. It works like Arduino Uno. No need to put Arduino Uno as a whole with a project. If you are learning Arduino Uno programming coding, I think this is better for you to use this barebone ATmega 328 instead of Arduino Uno. Of course, Arduino Uno is important. Now, this is the third one, which is perfect. It has voltage regulator also. You can give 9 volt, 12 volt, 5 volt, right? Reset button also, 2 LEDs, one for input, one for output. Direct 5 volt also you can give it. So this is what I am going to get it manufactured with the pins. Just take out the IC. There is a block soldered below. And I use this barebone for my this Diwali lighting project of pixels, 50 pixels. I programmed it through Arduino Uno. Now this is the, just to play with, just to learn. You can fix the things on your breadboard also. First try it on your breadboard. Put 2 capacitors of 22 PF and 1 crystal, and just give the supply at 6 and 7 number and start. Take your signal from 12 number, means pin number 6 of Arduino Uno, and try to make a project with that also, temporary. No soldering, nothing to do, just fix the products and jumper wires needed, and your LED lights will start lighting with any effect which you have programmed this IC with the help of Arduino Uno. You take it out from the Arduino Uno and fix it on the breadboard. So these things are the very childish. Even the students of 8th and 9th class, they can do it on breadboard to learn. This is a very good thing, this breadboard. I started with it when I started learning programming coding 1 year before. I started with it, and this is the single plate. If you want to make PCB at home, just give impression and make holes and use it. Put it in the ferric chloride. Remaining copper will be vanished. Only circuit will be there. Make the holes and use it if you want to make. But I don't want to go in this ferric chloride and dip it and make PCB at home. Of course, that is also very easy. Now see, this is the crystal, 16 megahertz, right? One you need this and 2 capacitors of 22 PF. Your PCB is ready. Arduino Uno is ready, you can say. The another form of Arduino Uno, the cheap and best. Just for Indian currency, 200 rupees. I made it. So gentlemen, I will show you now the practically how it worked with my lighting effect of 50 LEDs. I used this one. I have programmed this IC in Arduino Uno, take it out and fix it here and give supply of 12 volt and the regulator change it to 5 volt. There is one video more with the regulator, how to make this regulator, how to use 12 volt to 5 volt. You can see that video also, how it changes this regulator 7805. Now see Arduino, I have taken the IC from there. This is my battery giving 12 volt, but inside it is going 5 volt, and the lights, they start working. So any program you can download from the Fast LED. No need to go in the market and here and there. In Arduino IDE, in examples, in Fast LED, there are so many examples. Fire 2012, demo reel 100, like this. Now see how it is working. So I used it. So gentlemen, I think you must have gained something from this video to make the things economical, right? And you might have seen how my lights were working with this Barebone Atmega 328 PC made on this PCB. So I think you can follow it very easily. You can make it. Drawings you will find in the description. Or as well as in the last, again and again I used to request to subscribe and share it so that it should reach to the needy students. And about this PCB, if you will say, I will give you the phone number or something on WhatsApp, you can call me, you can send a message, because I don't want to promote anyone on my videos at the moment. So you can get it from there for the time being. You can use that if you are in a hurry, and if you can wait for 10 to 15 days, I am going to design it so, then I will place order. I will get it maybe 10 to 15 days it will take. And from my side it will be free of cost for the students who are below poverty line, and good students want to progress in their life. I will send it free of cost from my pocket up to my limitations. I am not earning anything nowadays. Whatever I have earned, little bit I have, I will distribute it. I will send the material for those students. Everything free of cost. Free education for everybody. Material for the poor students, you can say, the below poverty line. I want to help them. This is my motto of this platform. So if you will subscribe and share, it is also indirect help to them. It will reach to them, right? So gentlemen, enjoy with this Barebone Arduino 328 and save your Arduino Uno. To fix it on all the projects, it will cost very high. So I think this is the useful video you might have watched, and see you, and hope to give me a favor. Don't want to repeat, okay? Thanks.